Okay, guys, so this week we read City Dog, Country Frog, and our objective for this is I can retell the story with events, characters, and setting. So I want you to think about the story City Dog, Country Frog, and you just listened to the video of the story, so let's see if we can retell what happened in the story. What is the first thing that happened? Well, let's read these cards. This one says, City Dog met Country Frog in the spring. Country Dog taught City Dog games. Country Frog taught City Dog games. City Dog ran straight to Country Frog in the summer. City Dog taught Country Frog games. City Dog ran straight to Country Frog in the fall. Country Frog was too tired to play, so they played remembering games. Country Frog ran straight to Country Frog's rock in the winter. City Dog looked for Country Frog, but he was not there. It was spring again. Country Chipmunk saw City Dog sitting on a rock. City Dog and Country Chipmunk became friends. So it could be the first card. I want you to think about it. Yep, correct. City Dog met Country Frog in the spring. Now what could happen next? Yep, Country Frog taught City Dog games. Now what could have happened now? City Dog ran straight to Country Frog in the summer. How about now? City Dog taught Country Frog games. Yeah, guys, you guys are doing great. City Dog ran to Country Frog in the fall. How about Country Frog was too tired to play, so they played remembering games. Could that happen next? Good job. What about this one? It says City Dog ran straight to Country Frog's rock in the winter. And then this one says City Dog looked for Country Frog, but he was not there. Good job. And if you notice, there's snow here, and there's snow here, so those must go together. It was spring again. Country Chipmunk saw City Dog sitting on the rock. Good job. And the last one is City Dog and Country Chipmunk became friends. Good job, guys. This is great. Now that we've completed this as a whole group, I want you to go ahead and go to your engaging readers, to your retell packet, and I want you to complete this retell. So use the pictures for Country Frog, City Dog, Country Frog, and put it only on one paper, because you're going to save the other paper for our next story. Alright guys, thank you for enjoying and watching.